all, it's an immense pleasure and honor I consider that is given to me and my friends by the headmisters and faculty and students of Tolpatti Government High School and Shaneshwara Bhakta Janamandali to participate in planting of saplings in the school premises. I thank you all for that. Kerala, state of Kerala, has highest literacy rate in our nation. The credit goes to the teachers of this great state who have committed and dedicated themselves for the last 75-80 years in rural harsh conditions. Schools those days, and some schools unfortunately even today, which lack infrastructure, which lack basic facilities, and many challenges related to education, which is faced by the entire nation post-independence. But Kerala is one state which took all those challenges, all those problems head on, and today's result is that it has made the entire nation proud by having the highest literacy rate in the nation. And children who studied here, people who achieved, have gone round to these 202 nations in this world and made our nation proud. I once again dedicate it and I once again congratulate all the teachers post-independence in the last 80 years who are responsible for that. And then I had quite a lengthy conversation with your in-charge Principal Mrs. Sonia ji, and the way the brief history of the school was being discussed and the strength of the school, which is excellent. And Madam was also telling me about the dedicated faculty and you children who are so focused on your academics as well as other co-curricular activities related to education. I am very proud of the faculty and I am very proud of you all children here. Kerala is known as God's own country, not only in the nation but also in the world. Kerala has done its best to conserve and protect nature and natural resources. And I say this with a lot of responsibility. The state of Kerala has always been first when it comes to conserving and protecting nature and activities related to protecting the environment. Today, Shaneshwara Bhakta Janamandali, along with your school, have taken the initiative in planting a sapling. My only request to you children is that I know that you are going to do very well in your academics, because when I spoke to your teachers, I have realized that you are very focused. I know that you are going to do very well in your academics. You are going to study well. You are going to make a mark. But the most important thing again with your academics is, there are two things. One is the profession that you choose, the profession that you want to go to. Then the other thing is that what you are going to give back to society. When you choose a profession, always remember, there is no first rank job in this world or there is no last rank job in this world. Every job is a first rank job. Every job is important in the society. Every job has its own importance in this world. Only thing is that it should be done honestly, within the purview of truth and honesty, and within the purview of professional ethics. Second thing is that choose a job what you like. Choose a job what you love. Not because of what the financial package that comes with it. No. Choose the job what you love. You will do justice to that job, and automatically everything else, name, fame, money, everything else is going to follow. But now the second part of it, and the most important part of it, is giving back to society. Now what is giving back to society? Now if each one of us think within the four walls of our house, or within the purview of our profession, or within the purview of, if our thoughts don't go beyond the welfare of our family or growth in the profession, then definitely we are not going to give back anything to society. You have to choose as children, make up your mind, choose one area where you can work towards giving back to society. It can be any area what you like. It can be any area what you like. Now what my friend Satish does, he is a fantastic national award winning artist. Now the message that he has given you, what one picture can give, what one picture can teach is enormous. The message that he has given us here today is to protect, conserve environment. So I want you all to choose one field where at least you give 2 hours in a week, just 2 hours in a week, to dedicate yourself to give back to society. Today we are talking about nature, conservation, which is so very, very important, because you know that the destruction of environment, what it has caused to the world, all of us know. And I am not going to speak much of it, because you are all very responsible and you want to conserve. I only want you to kindly understand the importance of giving back to society. Please, in your future, whenever you are all going to be very responsible society, very responsible citizens in society, find time, a few hours in a week, to give back something to society. And I thank you all for giving me. I've spoken for a long time, because whenever I go on public stage, or whenever I go and speak public, I don't take much of time. But when I interact with children like you, when I interact with promising youngsters like you, who are going to be very responsible citizens of this nation, who are going to build this nation, and who you are all going to make our nation proud in the world by achieving in your own fields, I feel that whatever experience that I have in my life, I feel that I should share it with you. Today, because of Shaneshwara Bhakta Janamandali and Tolpatti High School and our friend Mr. Satish, I have got this opportunity. I thank all of you for giving me an opportunity to speak a few words. Thank you and wish you all the best.
ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ ಶನೇಶ್ವರ ಭಕ್ತ ಜನಮಂಡಳಿ ವಿರಾಜಪೇಟೆಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಶ್ರೀ ಯುವರಾಜ್ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಮತ್ತು ತಂಡದ ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿತೈಷಿಗಳು ಸೇರಿ ಕೇರಳ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ತೋಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿ ಗ್ರಾಮದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಪ್ರೌಢಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಸಿಗಳನ್ನು ನೆಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಥಪೂರ್ಣ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈ ಅರ್ಥಪೂರ್ಣ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ತೋಲ್ಪಟ್ಟಿ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಸ್ಯ ನೆಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮುಗಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯ ಮಹತ್ವದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ವಿಚಾರ, ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಾವು ವಿದ್ಯಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮುಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮ್ಮ ವೃತ್ತಿಗೆ ಹೋದಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿತ ನಾಗರಿಕರಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯನ್ನು ಉಳಿಸುವಂಥ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಯವನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಡುಪಾಗಿ ಇಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಿಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥಪೂರ್ಣ ಚರ್ಚೆಗಳು, ವಿಚಾರ ವಿನಿಮಯಗಳು ನಡೀತು. ಇದರಿಂದಾಗಿ ಇದೊಂದು ಅರ್ಥಪೂರ್ಣ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಮುಂದೆ ಕೂಡ ನಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಭಾವನೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ വ്യക്തപ്പെടുത്തിದ್ದಾರೆ.
നമസ്കാരം. കർണാടകയിൽ നിന്ന് ശനീശ്വര ട്രസ്റ്റ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ ടീം നമ്മുടെ സ്കൂളിൽ വന്നിട്ട് ഒരുപാട് പ്രോഗ്രാം നടത്തി. ആ ഒരു പ്രോഗ്രാം കേരളത്തിൽ ഞങ്ങളുടെ സ്കൂളിനെ സെലക്ട് ചെയ്തതിന് ആദ്യം തന്നെ നന്ദി പറയാണ്. ആ ഒരു ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നിന്ന് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ഒരുപാട് കാര്യങ്ങൾ പഠിക്കാൻ പറ്റി. പ്രകൃതി സംരക്ഷണം, അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ഒരുപാട് ഫേമസ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ആളുകളാണ് ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ക്ലാസ് എടുക്കാൻ വന്നിട്ടുള്ളത്. അപ്പം ഇത്ര നല്ല പ്രോഗ്രാം ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് സംഘടിപ്പിച്ചതിൻ്റെ പേരിൽ ഈ സ്കൂളിൻ്റെ പേരിലും എൻ്റെ പേരിൽ നന്ദി അറിയിക്കുകയാണ്. താങ്ക് യു.
Hello, we are from GHS Tholpatti. It is situated in the Wayanad district of Kerala, and it's a high school which is having the classes from class 5 to 10th, and we are having the strength of 317 students, and we are having a very difficulty that we are living in between the place. It's situated inside a forest. We are having slight difficulties to reach to the school, but we got an opportunity today as part of the Environment Day. The Shanishwara Temple Trust have visited our school, and we got a golden opportunity. They have even offered us a saplings, and we have a message that we have to preserve the nature with the help of this such saplings, and the children has to follow all these things. It's a great message for the day. Thank you.
ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜಗದೀಶ್, ಕೊಡಗು ಧ್ವನಿ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾದಿಂದ. ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ.